With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Now in this question, we are talking about an experiment that is given in our class 9 science NCERT. We are going to discuss what the steps of the experiment are. First of all, in this experiment, we take a plastic bottle, the kind of bottle in which bottled water comes. After this, we put a very small amount of water into this bottle. We take 5 to 10 ml water, and after this, we close the bottle and either we place it in direct sunlight or we shake it vigorously. So the water inside evaporates, turns into water vapor. We can say the air in the plastic bottle becomes saturated with water vapors. After this, what we do is we light an incense stick, and after opening the bottle, we allow some smoke from this incense stick to enter our bottle. So now inside the bottle, we've got two substances. One is the smoke from the incense stick, and second is the water that we put there before. And after this, we are going to crush the bottle using our hands. So what we are trying to do in this experiment is basically, we are trying to understand how clouds are formed and how it rains. So basically, what happens is a lot of water in the form of gas is entering our atmosphere because of evaporation from water bodies and also because of biological activities, respiratory exchange between the atmosphere and the living organisms. So because of all these activities, the atmosphere becomes rich in water vapor. And being light, what this water vapor does is, it rises up in the atmosphere. It goes to a higher level. And after rising up, because it is cooler, the temperature is lesser, this water vapor starts cooling down and condensing to form water droplets. That is, from gaseous state, this water starts turning into the liquid state. But before these water droplets can come together to form a cloud, what is needed first is, these water droplets need a nucleus. By nucleus, what do we mean? We mean we can have any kind of suspended particle that is there in the atmosphere. Maybe it is smoke particles, maybe it is dust, and most of the time, a lot of such suspended particles are found in the atmosphere. So what we need is, one of these suspended particles has to act as a nucleus or act as a center around which these water droplets are going to gather, they are going to accumulate and form a cloud. And we all know such a mass of water droplets, which is formed by the condensation of water vapor, when this mass becomes big and heavy, it comes back to the land in the form of precipitation, whether it is rainfall, snowfall, hail, whatever. So what happens during the formation of cloud is, we have seen, very simply we have tried to explain the process. A lot of water vapors enters our atmosphere due to evaporating water. When it enters the atmosphere, it rises up with the hot air, and once it rises up, due to cooling down, it condenses to form water droplets. Now when these water droplets have a nucleus around which they can form a big mass, they accumulate, they gather around this nucleus and they form a cloud. So in this experiment, we are trying to understand the same process on a very small scale using our plastic bottle. What happens here is, we place this water in the bottle. Same as the atmosphere has a lot of water vapor, in this bottle also, we have made the air saturated with water. After this, after placing it in sunlight or shaking it, what we are doing is, we are facilitating the process of evaporation so that the water that we place there in liquid phase becomes gas. And with the incense stick, with the smoke from the incense stick, what we are trying to do is, we are trying to provide these suspended particles, this nucleus that is necessary for the formation of clouds. So the smoke particles act as a nucleus, and when we crush the bottle, we increase the pressure inside the bottle. And on increasing pressure, this condensation of the water droplets takes place. The water vapor inside the bottle gets condensed to form water droplets, and cloud-like masses of water droplets can be seen inside the bottle. But when we stop crushing it, when we release the pressure, we will see that the inside of the bottle becomes foggy because now the water is not in the form of droplets but water vapor. So in this way, when we put water and the smoke particles in the same bottle, when we crush it, they are going to, because of the high pressure, form water droplets, and cloud formation type process is going to be seen. But when we release the pressure, then the pressure, when it becomes low, when we are not crushing the bottle, then the inside of the bottle becomes foggy. So what are they asking in the question? That when the fog is observed, when the bottle pressure is high or low. So our answer is going to be, under low pressure, we see foggy substance, foggy appearance inside the bottle, because when the pressure is high, the water vapor is going to change into water droplets and foggy appearance will not be there. Masses of water droplets similar to clouds that are formed in our atmosphere are going to be seen.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.